Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into a frustrating issue that many Samsung TV owners face: the error code 202. If your TV is displaying this code, you're probably wondering what it means, why it's happening, and most importantly, how to fix it. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to get your TV back up and running smoothly. First off, let's break down what error code 202 actually means. This error typically indicates a problem with your TV's network connection or software update process. It often pops up when your Samsung TV is trying to connect to the internet for services like streaming apps or firmware updates but encounters a glitch. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include unstable Wi-Fi signals, outdated firmware, incorrect network settings, or even a temporary server issue on Samsung's end. Other factors could be hardware problems like a faulty Ethernet port or interference from other devices in your home. Let's not panic. Most of these are easy to fix. To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. First, restart your TV by unplugging it from the power source for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is stable and that your TV is within range of your router. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more reliable link. Now, head to your TV's settings menu. Go to Support, Software Update and check for any available updates. Install them if prompted, as outdated software is a frequent cause of this error. If that doesn't work, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Network, and select Reset Network. You'll have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi afterward, so make sure you have your password handy. For more advanced fixes, try performing a factory reset, but only as a last resort since it will erase your personalized settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember to back up any important data first. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be time to contact Samsung support or a professional technician, especially if your TV is under warranty. In 2025, Samsung has made it easier with their online diagnostics tools, so check their website for help. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing Samsung TV error code 202. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.